Wel, nathon ni benderfynu dod i'r Wyl Goral mwyn trio rhywbeth gwahanol mewn ffordd. Dod i nabod cora o wahanol wledydd ar draws y byd. Dod i nabod i arweinyddio nhw, dod i adnabod i repertoire nhw, a gweld sut mae cora eraill yn rhoi rhaglen at ei gilydd.
Be sy'n neis i ni heddi yw'r amrywiaeth o gorau o wahanol wledydd, sgiliau ac ardilliau ar draws y byd. A mae'n neis cael addysg ohono fe a dysgu rhywbeth o'r profiad.
It's been a fun-packed celebration of the voice. Oh, it's been a brilliant spirit the whole weekend, a whole bunch of choirs from all over the place.
And we are so glad to be here in Cardiff. This is our first time, especially the UK. We're coming from India, Mizoram.
Dwi'n berson sy'n fan mawr o gystadlaethau lle mae'r panel yn ryngwladol. Maen nhw'n dod â gymaint o brofiad efo nhw.
I've really enjoyed the sense of community and hearing so many wonderful sounds and languages from around the world.
Mae'r gwaith trefnu wedi bod yn anhygoel. Pawb yn barod i helpu a mae ddim wedi teimlo fel cystadleuaeth o gwbl, mae rhyw fath o gyngerdd mawreddog.
So not only have we had fantastic singing, fantastic music, but we've had fellowship and camaraderie. What I love about the festival is there is a kind of spirit of togetherness.